Happy New Year, everyone! Welcome back to another Makeup Artist Monday. It's artistry like bam. Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning back in this week. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brandon and I'm a professional makeup artist in Chicago, and I'm here to teach you some fun things about makeup on the internet. So this week I was gifted, because it's Christmas and the happy holiday season, I was gifted a bunch of makeup from my fiance for Christmas, and I wanted to go over it with you guys because I got a lot of some really good favorites that I love, some goodies, some new things, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So let's hop right in. So if you don't know, I myself am a MAC alumni. I used to work for MAC for almost 5 years, many moons ago, almost a decade now. But I love MAC Cosmetics, and I do keep a lot of their products in my kit because some of their products are just tried and true and some really good staples. So they came out with this new Studio Fix Everyday Wear Click Stick Foundation. This is their Studio Fix formula in like this cool stick foundation. And my fiance gifted me a couple colors of this. So I actually wore this last night for New Year's Eve, even though this isn't my exact color, but it actually has this really cool locking mechanism here on the back. It tells you the color, which is nice, and then when you click it, the foundation comes out right here in a little bit of like a dollop, which is nice. You can actually control your coverage really nicely. You can pop it on just where you need it, really massage it and blend it in, but this is a very full coverage foundation. They did update the formula just a little bit, I can tell, because it smells just a little bit different and it's not as matte or full coverage as it used to be. I can definitely tell that this is more of a medium everyday wear, but this is a really beautiful foundation. I can't wait to pop it in my kit. As you can see, it blends really nicely. I threw on some bronzer so that it really matched my skin tone yesterday, but I wanted to wear it out and see how it looks and kind of test out this new formula. So as you can see, it does dry to a really beautiful satin formula. It goes on and provides a nice coverage. It's really beautiful, and I like this cool new like clicking stick thing. So that's really cool. It does lock, which I think is really nice for pros, so that way it's not going to spill or come loose in your bag. So I got this one, and this is NW20. I got it in the color NC35, then I also got one in the color NC50. So I can't wait to play with these, put these in my kit and check them out and wear them a little bit longer. But I think this finish is really beautiful. This is such a staple in my kit, some Studio Fix fluid. If you're a MAC person, you know that this is an OG foundation. It's really good, tried and true. When you need something that just works, it's great. So this is really nice to have in my kit, and I'm super excited to play with these new colors. Keeping along with the MAC cosmetic train, we're going to be going over their Skin Finish Sunstruck Matte Bronzer. I got gifted this one in Matte Rich Bronze, and then I got gifted this one in Radiant Medium Golden. It's their Skin Finish Sunstruck Radiant Bronzer. Man, that is a tongue twister. I absolutely love MAC bronzers. They're very smooth, really blendable. I got to wear this one last night. As you can see, I've already touched the pan. Really beautiful, very smooth. This one is their Radiant Bronzer, so this one has like flecks of gold in it, so it gives you just a really pretty nice sheen on the skin. And then this one is the same formula, their Skin Finish, but it's their matte formula, which I also really love. It's got this really cool texture on the front, and then you can see that that's a little bit deeper and it's more of their matte formula. So these are going to be really great in my kit to warm everybody up, because everybody loves bronzed skin. So these will be a great addition to my kit as well. So I can't wait to pop those in. Something that is new to me and that I got gifted is the new Gucci mascara called El Obscure. I'm super excited to try this. I bet this is a really beautiful formula. I have not tried it yet. If you guys want me to do a video on it, please leave a comment down below and I can do a separate video on just this mascara. But I absolutely love the packaging. Gucci Cosmetics, as you know, is a luxury brand. Look how beautiful this is. It's that really beautiful like baby nude pink with the Gucci logo. It's got a really beautiful gold top right up here. And this is supposed to be a really nice volumizing mascara that gives you nice separation. So it is that really beautiful plastic style brush that you can see right there. So I really like this. I'm excited to try it. If you guys want me to do a video, like I said, comment down below. And we have one more gift to go over, and I can't wait to show you what it is because it's my favorite. So if you know me, I'm a Taurus, and I love luxury gifts. So my fiance knows that I love a little bit of luxury, so he treated me to this really beautiful Chanel makeup bag, and it came with really cute goodies inside. So it's not makeup, which is kind of funny that it's in a makeup bag, and it's called the Makeup Hydrating Set, I believe, but it came with their Camilla oil for your cuticles and a Chanel lip balm, which I really loved. If you've never tried their cuticle oil, you guys, this one is super famous. I absolutely love the Chanel cuticle oil. It has the Chanel logo right up here and this really beautiful soft spongy tip you squeeze here, and then you can apply it on your cuticles for hydration. It's really, really nice, very hydrating, very nourishing, so I can't not wait to play with this. And then it also came with their Rouge Cocoa Balm. And this is their hydrating lip balm in their clear color. So it comes in this really beautiful white packaging with the Chanel logo right up here. And then there is the lip balm right in there. So I can't wait to use this because it is the winter season and you know my lips are thirsty. So my cuticles are thirsty. So I cannot wait to pop these bad boys in my makeup bag and use them all season long. So that was just a mini haul for my Christmas season. I hope that you guys had a fabulous holiday season out there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had such an amazing 2023. I can't wait to continue to do these videos for you guys. I'm going to be changing up the format and the content just a little bit. So if you want to see something a little bit new, please follow me on TikTok down below as well. And until next Makeup Artist Monday, guys, have a great week and I'll see you soon. All right, bye.